Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the Digibyte Holders big mistake. At this time the holders doing a big mistake, so please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. Don't do this mistake please. Otherwise if you do this mistake, so you are in the loss friends. And in this video we are also talking about the price of the Digibyte, the price change occurring in the Digibyte, and what's the reason behind why the price is positive, why the price is negative. In this video I will show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates friends. Let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Digibyte. As you can see here, 0.148386 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Digibyte. And if we look the price change occur in the Digibyte, so the last 1 hour price change is negative friends, the last 1 day price change is positive, and the last 1 week change as again but negative friends. Only the last 1 day pricing is positive friends. That means the Digibyte take a jump yesterday friends, and now they are in the jumping mode friends. Absolutely on the screen, that is the last 1 day price chart. As you can see here, if we look the price chart of the Digibyte, so as you can see here, take a high jump occur. Digibyte also taking a high jump. In if we look the current condition of the Digibyte, so currently in the last 1 hour they are also in the jumping mood. So absolutely congratulations to all Digibyte holders. Digibyte goes to the moon in this time friends. If we look the price change occur in the Digibyte, so positive 3.94% change occur in the Digibyte, and the highest price of the DGB crypto is 0.149917 is the highest price of DGB in the last 24 hours friends. Now friends, let's talk about the mistake. What's the biggest mistake holders doing at this time friends? As you can see at this time the fast occur and same like that at this time, and now at this time also occur for a little time. A lot of holders when see this kind of fast starts in any cryptocurrencies, not only Digibyte, so they want to sell has coin friends. Absolutely don't do this mistake. Please do a research. After the research, make a decision that it's time to buy, sell, or hold friends. Don't do this mistake friends. As you can see, a lot of holders doing a big mistake at this time friends. They goes to Digibyte coin and this time friends, and as you can see here, after this funds, let me show. And as you can see, after this funds they taken a high jump, as you can see here. So please don't do this mistake and don't sell your coin Digibyte, and especially in this time don't sell it. It's time to hold. I hope that Digibyte gives you good amount of profit in the future friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box. And what's your prediction about Digibyte? Please share in the comment box. And friends, again I'm telling you that please subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.